This is a very nice and elegant stitch. So it's called Garter Chevron lace. It's a multiple of 10 plus 1 and it's an 8-row repeat. I am using a 1 size larger needle. You can use 2 if you wish. Because, you know, when it's garter, the work tends to shrink. Anyway, let's do this. Row number 1. You're going to knit that first stitch. And then this is where the repetition starts. Yarn over, slide 1, knit 1, and pass that slip stitch over the last one. And knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knit 2 stitches together. Yarn over and knit 1. So let's do that repetition again. Yarn over, slide 1, knit 1 and pass that 1 over the last. Knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knit 2 stitches together. Yarn over and knit 1. So let's do that again. Yarn over, slide 1, knit 1, pass that 1 over, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 2 stitches together, yarn over and knit 1. All even number rows are knit the whole way. So row number 3, you are going to knit 2 stitches, and this is where the repetition starts. Yarn over, slide 1, knit 1, and pass that 1 over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 2 stitches together, yarn over and knit 3. So let's do that again. Yarn over, slide 1, knit 1 and pass that 1 over, knit 3, knit 2 stitches together, yarn over and knit 3. So let's do that again. Yarn over, slide 1, knit 1, pass over, knit 3, knit 2 stitches together, yarn over, and instead of knitting 3 at the end, you only have 2. So knit those 2 last stitches. And then row number 4, you knit the whole row. Row number 5, you're going to knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, slide 1, knit 1, and pass that slip stitch over, knit 1, knit 2 stitches together, yarn over and knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's do that again. Yarn over, slide 1, knit 1 and pass that stitch over, knit 1, knit these 2 stitches together, yarn over and knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do that again. Yarn over, slide 1, knit 1, and pass that 1 over, knit 1, knit 2 stitches together, yarn over, and instead of 5 you're going to be left with only 3 stitches at the end. So knit those 3. And then row 6, you knit the whole row. Row number 7, you're going to knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is where the repetition starts. Yarn over, slide 1, knit these 2 stitches together and pass the slid 1 over the last one, yarn over, and knit 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's do that again. Yarn over, slide 1, knit these 2 stitches together, pass that 1 over, yarn over, and knit 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So again, yarn over, slide 1, knit these 2 stitches together and pass that 1 over, yarn over, and now we only have 4 stitches left over. This is the end of the row, so instead of 7 we're going to have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then row number 8 is all purl. So this is row number 1, 3, 5, and 7, and this is the wrong side, and the right side is rows number 2, 4, 6, and 8. See? And it's a very pretty stitch, very nice. So thank you for watching. Share us with your friends and like our page and subscribe. I'll see you next time.